Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Rectangle, rectangle, octagon, octagon, semicircle, circle, diamond, triangle, triangle. Let's learn some colors. Green color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, orange color, red color, rectangle, orange color, octagon, pink color, semicircle, green color, circle, yellow color, diamond, sky blue color, triangle, red color, rectangle, orange color, octagon, pink color, semicircle, green color, circle, yellow color, diamond, sky blue color, triangle. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.